Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to make a simple authentication system by using PHP and MySql database. Instead of using MySql database, we are going to use PDO functionality so that we can use same functionality with multiple databases, for example PostgreSQL, MySql, MariaDB and many more. Before we begin with coding, let me show you what we are going to make. At very first, let me show you the sign up functionality. At the navbar you can see we have two items to click. First one is sign in and sign up. Whenever we sign in with any user, we can't see these two options. We can see dashboard and sign out option on the place of sign in and sign up. At first, let me check Shakib Al Hassan. Let me sign up for Shakib Al Hassan. Shakib@test.com, and for the first time let's make it wrong. Let's make the password wrong. 1 2 3 4, and at first let's make it 4 character. It will send us an error. Make sure your password has at least 6 character. That means we need to make this password 6 character. Shakib Al Hassan, email shakib@test.com, password let's make it 6 character this time. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and confirm password let's make it wrong. It's saying password didn't match. Shakib Al Hassan, email shakib@test.com. This time let's make it the right password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. It's saying user has registered successfully. Now it redirected to the sign in page. From here we can sign in with this username and password. Let's enter the username field, that is email shakib@test.com, and password was 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign in with the user. You are logged in successfully. You can see on the navbar we have dashboard and sign out option. No longer we can go to sign in or sign up page. Let me check you. Sign in. If we try to go to sign in page, it is redirecting to the dashboard. Sign up. We can't access sign up or sign in. Whenever we sign out, now this time we can access sign in or sign up, but we can't access dashboard this time. This is how we can protect our route from any client or anything. Whenever they want to access dashboard, they need to sign in or sign up. That is the simple project we are going to make. Now let's take a look for the essential tool we are going to use for this project. At very first we are going to use XAMPP control panel. There are some alternative for XAMPP, omp or mamp. Whatever you want to use, you can use it. There's not a barrier. Also you can install lamp if you are using Linux. I am using Linux Mint, but you are feel free to watch this video from Windows or any other operating system. You just need to know how to install XAMPP on your Windows system. Once you have installed XAMPP, installation process is very much simple. You don't need to worry about it. You just need to click few times next, and after installing XAMPP, you can find a folder inside C drive with name of XAMPP. Inside XAMPP you have a folder of htdocs. At the time of recording this video, this is most popular text editor for your code. I am going to use Visual Studio Code. If you want to use any other text editor, that's not a big deal, you can use it. And one more thing, if you want to know how to install XAMPP and Visual Studio Code on your Linux operating system, I have two tutorials for these two installation process. You can find those links from the description of this video.